Hey everyone, welcome back to another Midjourney video. So today we're going to talk about newly released Midjourney update, which is style reference a random parameter. So this particular parameter can create different style images for you with just one prompt, or it can also take your reference image and create as many style options as you want of your that one reference image. Like this could be useful in so many scenarios. So let's just go ahead and explore this parameter out. Alright guys, so here I am in my Midjourney. So first of all, let's just say I go to Midjourney prompt, I type imagine and type a simple prompt right over here, which can be a female model posing in a studio for a fashion photography. And after that, the parameter that is used for the random style of reference is we need to go ahead and hit space dash dash sref and then simply write random, okay? And if I hit enter, so soon you will realize that Midjourney has taken some random seed number for our style reference, and after some time, it will create a random style for you for your this image right over here, all right? So here we go. Here we have a random style for our female model posing in a studio for fashion photography. So this is just a random style that Midjourney has created for us. So let's just say, if I went ahead and input the same prompt, I type over here, imagine, input the same from a female model posing in a studio for fashion photography. And after that, dash dash sref is gonna be random. And now if I go ahead and run this prompt 5 times, so you'll realize you'll get 5 different styles for your same prompt, which is absolutely crazy. So after sref random, I'm gonna hit dash dash repeat. So this is a repeat parameter, and I'm gonna go ahead and type how many times I want that prompt to repeat. So let's just say I want that to be repeated 4 times, okay? And when I will hit enter, so then it's gonna ask me, are you sure you want to imagine 4 prompts from the template? So I'm gonna click on yes. And after some time, it's gonna go ahead and create 4 different options for me, but you guys can see with the different styles. So this is our first output. This was basically a girl posing for fashion photography. You can be as simple as that. So this is for our first one, which is a random seed. Then you have for the second random seed, then the third one, then the fourth one. So take a look at these images. This is our first prompt, so which is a girl posing, which is a totally different style. Then the second one, we have some kind of a soft lighting style, a kind of a painting one, right? Looks really, really good. Then the third one, this looks very, very realistic. We have the dark lightings. The style is totally different. And the last one, now we have some kind of a colorful background. Looks really, really good. And now if you can go ahead and compare all of these results, so wow, you guys can clearly see that the results are totally different. Our prompt was same, everything was same, but by just using a style reference as random, we can now go ahead and create 4 different style options for our single prompt, which is absolutely crazy, okay? So now there's one more thing we can go ahead and do that with this amazing style reference a random parameter is that we can go ahead and take a single image and we can ask Midjourney to create different style options for your same image, okay? So that is really, really cool. So let's just say I go to my Midjourney feed and I go to my images here in my Midjourney feed, and over here I can go ahead and simply select any image that I like and that I want to create different styles of, all right? Okay, so let's just say I take this image as an example. First of all, I'm going to simply download this image, and after that I can come back to my Midjourney and upload this image straight away, okay? Hit enter. All right, and after that I can simply type over here imagine. First of all, we can go ahead and type any prompt that we like I'll be typing here a female model standing in an urban cityscape. And after that, first of all, you need to provide the character reference of this image that you want in your output to copy, right? So I want my styles to have this character in them, okay? So I'm going to type dash dash sref, copy the link of the image, paste it right over here, okay? And after that, we're going to go ahead and do the same procedure, dash dash sref, type over here random, and again dash dash, then the repeat parameter, okay? And I want that to be repeated 4 times, okay? Now let's just go ahead and click enter and wait for the outputs. Just need to confirm the confirmation message first, so I'm gonna click on yes. So it will start the jobs for my 4 generations of the image, okay? So let's just wait for them. Alright, so as you guys can see right over here that our generations are completed. So if we go ahead and quickly compare those, so wow, this looks absolutely crazy. So this was a reference image, and with the help of that, it created these 4 generations, and you guys can see it how beautifully it captured the character in that. So character reference worked really, really well. And if you take a look at the style though, so yeah, first of all, we have some kind of like an animated or type of style. Then the second one, we have a very cityscape, like a very intense scene in that. Then the third one, this looks like some kind of a dark photography. It looks cool as well. And the last one, yeah, this one looks really, really good as well. So yeah, this is how, Midjourney can go ahead and create different style options with one click by just using the style reference random parameter and the repeat parameter, which works absolutely fantastic, right? All right, so there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of the new update of Midjourney V6, which was style reference random parameter. So I really hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.